Today, we shall be reviewing the mixing and application of 112 PumaESD. Ensure that surface has been properly primed. Any minor pre-patching is uniform and similar color to surrounding. Surface should be screened with 80 grit screens or 100 grit sandpaper. Any lower grit will reflect scratches through the finish. Conductive copper grounding tape may be installed before or after this coat, minimum every 1,500 square feet. To proper earth ground, such as a steel column, ground bar, or electrical outlet. Coverage. 1 2-gallon mix should cover 1,200 to 1,400 square feet. This coverage rate is important to ensure material cures properly and has the correct resistance readings. Apply a blue tape mark on the wall for every mix to gauge your proper coverage rate and thickness as the coating is applied. Material is applied with 3/8 snap. Quality rollers. Ensure you have an extra clean 5-gallon pail for each mix that you are going to make. Have a variable speed drill with spiral mixing paddle and a dust mask. Mixing shall be done on medium speed for the resin and hardener, then lower speed after combining with the conductive powder. Once making a mix of material, it should be applied within 30 minutes. Before you begin a mix, ensure that you have set up all the components side by side for one complete mix. This shall ensure that you add all the components into each mix. Resin, hardener, conductive powder, 16 ounces Puma color tint, and optional 5 ounces of glass beads for very light texture. After the mix is made, pour some into a 16-ounce plastic cup and perform cut-ins with a brush. For inside corners and around legs of equipment, use 9-inch roller for edges and an 18-inch roller for wide-open areas. If you are adding glass bead for texture, remember to mix the material in the roller pan every few minutes to ensure that glass beads do not sink to the bottom of the pan and clump on the roller. If the glass beads clump on the roller, it will cause uneven texture on the floor. Roll the material to a uniform thickness and even appearance. Once each mix is applied, a back roller should cross-roll the floor from one side to another using a 1/4-inch nap roller for best professional results. This ensures final product is even and without roller marks. Perform the back rolling within 20 minutes after last. Mix is applied to the floor for conditions warmer than 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Working time is reduced. Floors shall be ready for foot traffic overnight and wheeled traffic in 36 to 48 hours.